visited Kenilworth, a picturesque country town in the heart of the beautiful Mary Valley, just an hour from Noosa. European settlers arrived in the 1860s, drawn by the region's rich red cedar forests and fertile farmland. At Kenilworth you can find the Kenilworth Dairy. This is a must-stop visit to stock up on all your favourite dairy snacks such as yogurt, cheeses, ice cream and milk. Fun fact, Kenilworth Dairy used to be the cheese factory which opened in 1952 and was originally owned by Kraft. Kenilworth Bakery is home to the 1 kilo doughnut. Sadly, this is not how it used to be. The 1 kilo doughnut used to be a massive round doughnut and they used to have competitions if you could eat it. It is now a long form doughnut, but anyway, they still have fantastic selection of doughnuts to choose from. Of course, we couldn't stop without getting a little snack for afternoon tea. We got a lemon curd donut. 1 lemon curd donut. How yum does this look? They even sell little treaties for your doggy. Two little doggy biscuits. So for a great afternoon out, come and visit Kenilworth. And yes, we have a fun fact for you about Kenilworth.